Is it going to get stormy?
We're going to have some isolated thunderstorms.
Okay.
Nothing severe,
Yeah.
but I mean, if you're wearing a silk dress, you do not want it to get wet. That last time you wore a silk shirt, you don't want
it
condensation
just clings,
on it. Exactly. So it's a good thing that we are having drier conditions yesterday, but a lot of changes are on the way. Quite the splash alert today as well as tomorrow. It's not going to rain the entire time, but this is the best chance of rain we've had in quite some time. And when it comes to the amounts, I'm looking for us to have around 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Now, Saturday, Sunday will be dry and mild. Most of Monday will be dry, but it's Monday night into Tuesday. Another round of showers will start to return. Now, the consistency being temperatures still above average. But don't get too comfortable because you might want to get a little more cozy as we get closer into Thanksgiving as we're looking at the potential for major weather changes. Here's a live look for you outside of Bridgestone Arena this morning. Current temperature 57 degrees, and you can tell there is some fog out in place. Another look for you over in Hopkinsville. In the immediate area, right into the parking lot, you're good. But out in the distance, you can tell there is some visibility issues, and that is why we do have a dense fog advisory for the heart of Middle Tennessee. Those of y'all just on the Kentucky-Tennessee state line, you're still going to encounter some fog, just like what we saw in Hopkinsville. It's just not dense enough to currently have that dense fog advisory. But you can tell a lot of us going to areas into Dixon, you head into Clarksville, Bumpus Mills, Dover, even into Centerville, we do have quite a bit of fog issue. And then also noticing it across the plateau. Warren County, you're just covered up along with parts of Putnam County. Right now, we do have a few tiny little drops trying to make their way into Dixon as well as closer into Waverly. These are moving only and they'll fizzle out. Our bigger rain event, there's all of this moisture coming in from our west. And this is thanks to the stationary boundary that has just kind of wobbled with us over the past 24 hours. That's why yesterday, such a dramatic difference of who ended up in the 60s and who ended up in the mid 70s. It always like who got a little bit more of that boundary's sunshine versus the other. Right now, though, cooler than yesterday, but still well above where we should be. We're talking 40s across the plateau. 50s for everyone else. But notice how close the dew point is. The moisture in the air is almost twinning, and that is mean we got a ton of moisture. We just need the lift, and that is coming. So it's going to basically take a wet washcloth, and it's going to squeeze it out once we get some of that lift. Really noticing that closer to 9 o'clock as we make our way throughout the morning, where we do get some showers. Obviously, that's going to give some rain, cooled air. So those that do stay a little drier do get warmer faster. We're going to see most of the bulk of this being north of I-40 as we make our way throughout lunchtime. And then it's after lunch, it really starts to fill in down to our south, overcoming all of Middle Tennessee and parts of southern Kentucky. It won't rain all day. In fact, overnight, I'll look for things to kind of take a pause, and then we're back at it again tomorrow. Out of the 2 days, today versus tomorrow, today will be the wetter day. Tomorrow, though, still quite a splash alert. Showers, few embedded thunderstorms. Our severe threat is low to no. Things will dry out heading into Friday evening, looking to be lovely as that front finally passes on Saturday. Nice, dry conditions and breathable. So how much rain really depends on where you're at. Areas north of I-40, you've got a better opportunity to have closer to 2 inches, while those southward, closer around 1/2 inch to 1 inch. We'll have another chance of showers and thunderstorms as we make our way late Monday into our Tuesday. Your 7-day forecast, highs today, pending your area, will be into the 60s and low 70s. Low 70s will be down to our south. Tomorrow morning starts out dry, some patchy fog. By the afternoon, showers as well as some thunderstorms. 68 going into Saturday. Lovely day. Sunday, beautiful upper 30s, low 40s to start. By the afternoon, 65. We'll reintroduce those rain chances late Monday into Tuesday. By Wednesday, the sunshine is back.